Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylan. Today we are going to learn everything about les prépositions de lieu. Prepositions of place. On the book we are going from the page 121 to 123. I like to divide the preposition of place in two different categories. First we are going to see the simple ones, so the ones that are made out of one word, and they are usually followed by an article. The second ones are the ones followed by the preposition de. The preposition de can change form, but we already saw it, so there is nothing difficult about it. So the simple ones, one word, the other one are going to be more than one word, obviously. Let's start by the simple ones. The first one is contre. Contre. La télévision est contre le mur. La télévision est contre le mur. So contre is the preposition and then le is the article. Contre le mur. At the end, this is very similar to English. The television is against the wall. Okay? Very not complicated. Now we have dans. In. I don't know why dans is a big struggle for French learners. It's actually pretty easy to use, I feel. If you have more questions about it, just leave it to me in the comment section and I will do my best to help you. So we have le couteau est dans le tiroir. Le couteau est dans le tiroir. So in the drawer. Le being the article. So here, this is a preposition of place, une préposition de lieu. This is not a preposition of time. I separate them just to make it easier, I hope. So we have different use for it, it's just that for the preposition of place, this is this way. Derrière. Derrière, behind. I don't think that this word is really hard to remember. We'll say that for obvious reasons. Le garage est derrière la maison. Le garage est derrière la maison. Devant. In front of. Devant. La voiture est devant la sortie. La voiture est devant la sortie. Entre. Between. La lampe est entre le mur. La lampe est entre le mur et le canapé. La lampe est entre le mur et le canapé. Sous. Under. Le monstre est sous le lit. Le monstre est sous le lit. Sur. On. La pomme est sur la table. La pomme est sur la table. Pretty easy, isn't it? Basically, if you want to use them, you have to remember them by heart. I believe this is more vocabulary than grammar, especially if you are an English speaker or a native English speaker, because we use them the exact same way, okay? So that was the first part of the lesson. You can test yourself with the exercise 2.16. Now we have the second part when we have the preposition including de. Let's review very quickly de, just to make sure that you remember. So de plus le equal du. De plus les equal des. De la doesn't change. De l'apostrophe, same thing, doesn't change, okay? So we have de, du, des, de la, and de l'apostrophe. So we have à côté de. À côté de. Next to. So à côté de is always going to stay together. It can't be separated. The only thing that can change is that de can become du, can become des, can become de la, etc. Le verre d'eau est à côté du lit. Le verre d'eau est à côté du lit. So lit is a masculine singular noun, so de is going to become du, simply du. À droite de. To the right of, on the right of, depending what you say. Le magasin est à droite de la banque. Le magasin est à droite de la banque. Okay? À droite de la banque. Banque is feminine. De la banque. Obviously we have à gauche de. À gauche de. Je suis à gauche de la sortie. Je suis à gauche de la sortie. So sortie, feminine as well, de la. This one, Very interesting one. Au bord de. Au bord de. By or on the edge of. Nous sommes au bord de la plage. Nous sommes au bord de la plage. Au-dessous de. You can also hear en dessous de. Both are right, but this one is technically more correct. Let's just say that. But en dessous is perfectly fine as well. L'athlète est au-dessous de ses performances. L'athlète est au-dessous de ses performances. And then we have au-dessus de. Au-dessus de. So they are very close in pronunciation. Au-dessous, au-dessus. Okay? If you have trouble to remember which one, think about a pyramid. Okay, so we have OU, which take more space, and then we have the U alone. Au-dessous, that's the bottom, the 2-1, and then we have au-dessus with only U. If that helps. Not too sure, if that helps. Le nounours est au-dessus de l'armoire. Le nounours est au-dessus de l'armoire. Au milieu de. In the middle of. L'enfant est au milieu du parc. L'enfant est au milieu du parc. So parc is masculine, so du. En face de. Facing or in front of. Je suis en face du restaurant. Je suis en face du restaurant. A few more. Loin de. Loin de. C'est loin d'ici. C'est loin d'ici. D'ici. So ici, it's not a noun. We are going to see that very soon. But because of this, we don't need to add an article, and therefore the doesn't change. It just becomes the apostrophe because it starts with a I. My I. I. Près de. Near. Nous sommes près de l'aéroport. Nous sommes près de l'aéroport. We are near the airport. That's it, you know everything about the prepositions of place. Wasn't it easy? To make sure that you understood well, you can do the exercise 2.17. Tomorrow we have the same type of lesson with the preposition of time. So I will see you tomorrow. À demain.